Today I would like to make a quick video about the dual stream on the Wyze cam. So this is the Wyze cam. I currently have two cameras, but I have more. But for privacy purpose, I'm going to just show the outside part of it. So this basically is the dual screen. So if I rotate it like this, you can see I'm screaming here, wirelessly screaming here. So if I switch like this, it won't fill the whole screen up right here. So it will only fill like two of it. Let's say I put my phone on the stomachs. So give me a second. I can't since figured out what to do. So I'm gonna put that right here. So basically, if you have four, obviously, if you have four, you will have like 1, 2, 3, 4. That's how that works. And if you have five, you just swooped over, and then the first two will be disappear. And then if you have six, etc., you just rotate, and you can organize whatever way. Like for example, if you have 12 of those camera, you can just swipe, and then you will be able to see whatever one you want to see. I was just thinking, I was just using a iPhone, was testing out. What's very cool about it is like if you have HDMI to lightning cable, and if you have a iPhone SE or iPhone 5 that still runs Wyze cam, you can actually use a big screen like I did and just play around with it, or you can even have a small screen. Doesn't matter, have to be big or small, but it is kind of cool to be able to do that. And you just watch line and all that. Right now it really doesn't have activity, so when it does have activity, it does show the green line box, whatever you want to call it. So that's very interesting. I think it's pretty good quality. It's like 720p or less, I think, if you put it on like a screen like that. But I still think it's, you can make out what the idea of what's going on without actually physically be like 1080p or 4K like that. So that's something that Also, what I'm currently doing is using the Roku. That's why you can see as a wirelessly. So Samsung device actually has a screen mirror work with Roku, that's kind of cool. But one other thing I would like to do is like keep this phone on all the time and just leave it on the back of a TV and charge it and plug in a HDMI like dongle like this. Let me see if I can find it. Right here. So dongle like this, that you have HDMI and you have a lightning port that you can leave it on charge. That's why I was suggesting like iPhone SE like this, which is I have that too, which is right here. So this one currently did. So I mean, yeah, it's really, the possibility is endless if you want to go for it. And you don't have to if you have, like, for example, if you have 100 meg bandwidth, that's something that you can do, because this will be constant streaming data. If you have AT&T, obviously AT&T does have the 1 terabyte cap, but I don't think this thing gonna choose or eat that much of bandwidth. But do your own risk and don't take my word for it. Again, it is very interesting that you can see. Let me see if I can make it closer. And of course, that thing asked me for launch Hulu, which I don't need. And you can see how clear over here it is because it is smaller screen. And then, of course, if you go there, you can also see it's, let's say, look at the ladder. This is farthest focus. You can, in real life, it's not flickering. It's just the refresh rate on this TV that does that. So you can see it's fairly clear. Like I said, you can see like dry away water and all that, and you can see like blue thing, garbage can or something like that. or you can barely make out what it is. So yeah, so it is cool thing to be able to do that. And also, of course, again, I would say this is then endless. You can do whatever. And so that's basically a 5 minute of a screen mirror little lecture, or more like an educational video. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you do, please let me know how I can do better. Of course, yeah. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you guys later. Bye.